Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Mi ka jingkulmar, ha parlimen jong ka United Kingdom, halor ka jingïatai, ban pynïasuk no ya ka thma ha Gaza. Khnang ban lai ka jingkulmar ka bajur, usyong knor jong ka ying darbar thau an ka UK, ula ailat ka jingïatai, balawan ra da ka Lyngz persya, kata ka Labour Party, ha ka baydai bat ka jing pynïasuk no woodwood, ya ka thma ha Gaza. Halor ka ni ka jingïatai, ban pynïasuk no ya ka thma ha Gaza. Kumno re Kumno, kalawan rak penban ya ka jingkulmar, ha parlimen.
All these are front opinions say aye. As many as are of that opinion say aye.
I thought I was doing the right thing and the best thing, and I regret it and I apologise for how it's ended up. I do take responsibility for my actions, and that's why I want to meet. And that's why I want to meet with the key players who have been involved.
Mr. Speaker, whilst I acknowledge your apology, the reality is that you were warned by the clerks of the House that your decision could lead to the SNP not having a vote on our very own opposition day. As a result, we have seen the SNP opposition day turn into a Labour Party opposition day. I'm afraid that that is treating myself and my colleagues in the Scottish National Party with complete and utter contempt. And I will take significant convincing that your position is not now intolerable.